Looking to build something next level? Let me introduce you to LearnifyPro, a cutting-edge learning management system that combines power, style, and real-time functionality. Here's what makes it awesome. Instant chats powered by Socket.io for real-time communication. A reliable backend built with Node.js and Express.js, so everything runs like a well-oiled machine. Your data? Secured and managed seamlessly with MongoDB. Need speed? Redis caching takes performance to the next level. Goodbye. Slow apps. The user interface? Designed to impress using Tailwind CSS, Next.UI, Modernity UI, and Magic UI. A perfect balance of beauty and functionality. And of course, smooth navigation thanks to Next.js for a lightning-fast, user-friendly experience. Sounds cool, right? Here's the best part. You can build this yourself. I'll guide you step by step. You'll learn how to design a modern, sleek UI. Build a powerful backend with Node.js. Optimize performance with Redis caching. And deploy seamlessly using Vercel and Render. Or if you're just looking to dive into the code, no problem. Grab the source code directly from my GitHub. The link is in the description. Want the full tutorial? Hit that subscribe button and like this video. When we hit 1,000 likes, I'll upload the complete guide, explaining every line of code and feature. Are you ready to create something extraordinary? Let's make it happen. Join me now.